If you are looking for a simple solution to add crypto payments to your WordPress website, then this video is for you. This free plugin lets you add crypto payments to your WordPress website in just 3 steps. Now, this is what we are going to do. We will install and activate the plugin, add our wallet address to our store, then add the plugin API, and then voila, we can start receiving crypto payments on our WordPress website. Now, this is not a wallet. This is just a payment system plugin. Now, this payment system does not require your clients or customers to pay to them. They hold the money, and then after some time, before they will allow you to withdraw it. Now, what they do is they let you connect your wallet straight, so that whenever somebody pays or buys anything from your shop or your website, it goes directly into your wallet. And that is it. And that is why this plugin is the best. Let's check the plugin out. Alright guys, so to be able to add a cryptocurrency payment on your website, you need to have a website set up. Okay, so definitely that is the first thing that you need to do. So you need to have a website. So as you can see, this is my website that I set it up over here, and I'm using the cadence starter template over here. So if you want it, you can search for cadence starter template, and then you can be able to get this template and start with it. Now basically what we are going to do is we're going to do 3 simple steps. Okay, now the first one is we're going to install the plugin for the payment integration, and then the next one is we're going to create an account at the plugins developers website, and then we will get an API key and link it to our website. And then the last one is set up the payment system for us to be able to receive payment. Okay, so we're going to do just these things in simple steps. Now let's jump into it. So what we're going to do is first of all, we're going to go to our back end of the website over here. Now we are using WordPress website. Okay, so basically every tutorial that we are doing over here is WordPress. So we will go to plugins over here, and then we're going to click on add new plugin. So click on add new plugin. Now I have a WooCommerce website that is an e-commerce website. That is what I'm using. Okay, so basically the plugin works with WooCommerce, and that is perfect for whatever I'm doing over here. Now what I'm going to do is just open a new browser over here, and then just type in BconGlobal. Okay, BconGlobal. So this is the website that we're going to use to link our website to get payment, cryptocurrency payment from our customers. So this is basically the website. So as you can see over here, we help you we help to track and accept crypto payment. Okay, so they help you to track and accept crypto payment. So basically you can accept to either the BNB or the BTC, and that is what we are going to use. Now for me, I'm going to just add a BTC to my website. So that is exactly what I'm going to do over here, but I'll take you through all the process in just some few steps. Okay, so you can read through if you want to, and it's very simple to do. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to integrations over here. So just click on integrations over here, and then we will scroll down, just scroll down. Okay, so you can see that you can read through over here. So just read through whatever you don't understand, and then what we are going to deal with this one over here, which says plugins for e-commerce. Okay, so we want to download the plugin. So click over here to download the plugin, and then as you can see, they have OpenCart and then they have WordPress over here, and we are dealing with WordPress. If you have OpenCart e-commerce website, of course you can go ahead and then click on OpenCart over here, but we're going to deal with WordPress. So I'm going to click on WordPress over here, and then you can read through all the details over here. But what I'm going to go is I'm going to go scroll down over here, and then you see that it says download WordPress plugin. Okay, so hover on these blue words over here, download WordPress plugin, and then just click over here, just click on it to download the plugin for you. So as you can see, it is downloading the plugin. That's finished downloading. It's very lightweight plugin. I'm going to just close it. Now make sure that you don't extract the the zip file. Okay, so let's go to our I'm going to go to my desktop over here, and as you can see, this is the plugin that I just downloaded. Okay, now what we're going to do is make sure that you don't, like I told you, you don't extract it. We're going to just install this zip file on our website. Okay, so now that we have this particular plugin install downloaded, now we can go ahead, go to our plugins over here, and as you can see, we just click on plugins, add new over here, and then we are here. Now we are not going to search for the plugin because you won't find it over here, but what we're going to do is we're going to click on upload plugin. So click on upload plugin over here, and then choose a file. So what you can do is you can just drag in this file over here, or you can just click on choose a file to locate where your file is. Okay, so as you can see, it is on my desktop over in my downloads over here. So I'm going to click on it, and then I will click on open. Okay, so now do not rename the file, do not rename it. Okay, just leave it as it is, and then as you see over here, I can just click on install now to install the plugin that I have downloaded from BconGlobal. Okay, so they said what installation is successful, plugin installed successfully. I can go ahead and click on activate. So the plugin is very lightweight. Okay, that is why everything is fast. Now they said congrats, you are now accepting crypto payment. You can configure BconGlobal on this page, so we can click over here. Okay, just click on this one over here to configure it. Now as you can see, they said you should add your merchant key for the BNB, and then you should add your merchant key also for your BTC. Now if you add this API keys, if you're able to add them, then you can copy this one and then go to the plugin developers website to be able to add the callback URL over there. Now what we are going to do is we're going to go straight to where we downloaded the plugin. Okay, so I'm going to close this one and click over here where we downloaded the plugin. Now we have to log in or sign up. Okay, create an account. Now if you don't have an account, you can create an account. It's very simple to create. It's very easy to create. So just click on login over here, and then as you can see, when you get over here, it will either tell you to either log in over here or just sign up. So let's say we want to sign up, so click on sign up over here, and then you just be asked for your email address, password, repeat password, and that is all for the registration. Okay, you don't need to enter any details, nothing. Everything you have to enter is just your email address, your password, and then you click on register to register. Now of course I've already registered. Okay, so there's no need for me to register again. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to log in because I'm already a registered customer over here. I can go ahead and click on I am not robot, and then solve this thing over here. So it says cars, so I'm going to just choose the cars that I see over here and click on verify. Okay, very good. So I can click on login to log into the website. Now this is the dashboard of the BconGlobal website. Okay, so this is where the magic happens. This is where everything is going to happen. But you see, like I told you, your funds are going to be received in your cryptocurrency wallet. Okay, so for me, I have a blockchain wallet over here that I'm going to use. Okay, I'm going to show you all the process and everything. So just get your wallet ready. Wherever website that you wherever wallet that you are using, just get it ready. We're going to do the magic over here. So you see that we have wallet watcher, and then we have the merchant over here. Now what we're going to deal with is what is under merchant. Okay, so if you go to the merchant dashboard over here, now you're not going to see much. This is where you're going to see some guidelines and other stuff that you'll be able to use to install the plugin. Okay, so what we will do is we're going to go to platforms over here. Okay, so with the platforms, you can be able to add your stores over here. Now as you can see, I have added one store over here, but I'm going to add a store so that we go through together, so that you guys will see everything that we are going to do. So we can click on add a new store over here and then fill in the details. Okay, so this is a coffee shop, so I'm just going to name it what coffee shop. Okay, coffee shop over here, and then you can give a tag to just identification label. Okay, so I'm going to say coffee. Okay, so the destination wallet. So which wallet do you want? If you want BTC, you choose it. If you want BNB, you also choose it, but I'm going to use BTC. Okay, so that is it. Now make sure that you locate where the export wallet export is. Okay, so this is where we are going to we're going to locate, not the wallet address. Okay, but if you are using the BNB, then you are going to use your wallet address. So as you can see, it says Binance address over here. But if you are using BTC, okay, that is a Bitcoin, you need to search for where the export is. Okay, PUB export. Okay, that is what we are going to look for. So I'm going to go to my wallet, blockchain wallet over here, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go under my details over here, and then I'll go to wallet and addresses over here. I'm going to go to wallet and addresses over here. Now as you can see, these are the wallets that I really have over here. Okay, so these are my Bitcoin wallet that I have over here. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go, so this is the Bitcoin under it, not the Bitcoin Cash or Ethereum or Stellar. This is the Bitcoin. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on manage this one. Okay, so I'm going to click on manage over here, and as you can see, it says what unused addresses or used addresses. So you can reveal your address over here. Okay, so I'm going to just click on reveal over here and then say yes. Okay, so are you sure you want to reveal the address? And then it says what this is the address over here that we're going to use. Okay, but what we are looking for is the export. Okay, so when I click over here, you see that it says what show export. Okay, so under manage over here, just click over here and then it will say what show export. So that is what we want. So we're going to click over here and then we're going to copy this particular export address over here, or the key over here. So we're going to click on it. Now this key is very sensitive, so make sure that you don't show it to anybody over here, okay, so just copy it and then come back to your crypto processing platform or the Beacon website over here and then paste in the export in it. And as you can see, it has given you what it says was sample receiving address. Okay, so here it says click receive in your wallet, copy the address and paste it here. So you want to paste your wallet address over here. Okay, so make sure that your receiving address, your sample receiving address, make sure you paste it over here. So I'm going to go back to my blockchain over here, close this one. Okay, and then the address that I want to use, I want to use this particular one. Okay, so I'm going to copy this one or copy it, come back over here and then paste it over here. So I'm going to just paste it over here. Sorry, let me go back. It's a sample address over here. I'm going to paste it over here. So this is the address that we want to use. Okay, so it says click receive in your address, copy the address and paste it here. So that's basically, it is telling you that if you don't know how to do it, just click receive in address, whatever it is from here. Okay, that is your address wherever you are receiving. That is, if you click over here, receive over here, you're gonna look for your Bitcoin wallet. So let's say I'm looking for BTC. Okay, so my receiving address over here. So as you can see, this is what my BTC address. I can click on this one to show me the wallet address. So as you can see, I can just copy this wallet address over here, and then it is similar, basically the same thing. If you look at it, almost the same. Okay, so basically almost the same over here, and then I can just paste it over here. Okay, so basically that is it. Now after I'm done, I'll go back to my website. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my website, my back end of the website, And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this callback URL. So if you look over here, it says what? HTTP callback URL. So I'm going to copy this callback URL. Just copy it. Okay, come over here and then paste it here. Okay, so paste it here. Now after you paste, make sure that you filled in everything correctly as I did, and then click on save changes over here. Okay, so guys, my coffee shop is saved. Now how do we get the API key? Sorry, how do we get the API key? Just click on this arrow over here, click on it, and as you can see, it has generated the API key for you over here. So just click to copy the API key, go back to your website over here, and then which one are we using? We are using the BTC over here. So we're going to paste in the API key over here. Okay, that is a merchant key. Okay, so if you look at it over here, this is the API key that we are using. That is a merchant key. That is what we copy. Now this, you will get this API key once you have you've set up your store. Okay, and then if you feel like generating a new one, you can click over here to also generate a new one. So once you've copied and everything is done, and you've pasted it over here, all what we need to do is to click on save, to save the changes over here. Of course, you can also click over here as an advance and then see some certain details that you want to set it up. But I will just tell you not to do anything over here. Okay, just click save to save the changes over here. Now everything is set up, you are good to go. So the next thing that you need to go is just go back to your WooCommerce over here and then click on settings over here to make sure that the payment plugin is working in your payment side. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go to payment over here, and then as you can see, we have BconGlobal over here. Okay, BconGlobal BTC over here. So all what we can do is you can either enable it over here, or you can go to manage to check if you want to check some settings and other stuff. So this controls the title which the user sees during checkout. Okay, so you can say maybe pay with Bitcoin. Okay, and then click on save changes over here. So now guys, as you can see, we are good to go. So we have been able to link our website to BconGlobal over there. Now before you can be able to receive payment, okay, now there is one thing, because the platform do not receive your payment over here, meaning that when your customers buy your goods, the platform is not the one receiving your payment. Your payment goes straight away into your wallet. Okay, so what you have to do is, what the platform have to do is, for every transaction they charge 1% of every transaction that you make, and that transactions fee that you're going to pay, you need to deposit some amount of cryptocurrency into this particular website before you can be able to make some payment with your customers can be able to make buy things from your website. Now you can just go to commissions and deposit over here, and then you can see that my credit balance over here is 0.01 BTC, meaning that I can be able to buy or sell things on my shop. Okay, because I have a balance over here. But if you don't have any balance, of course, if you read their documents and other stuff about the whole BTC thing, they tell you that you can make payments, or your customers can be able to buy things for I think 3 or 6 times when you don't have any balance. Okay, but if you get a negative balance after 3 purchases, then they stop. You cannot make any payment again. Okay, and that is it. So if you want to make a payment over here, or if you want to credit your balance, okay, so that make sure that you have BTC over here, so that they can be able to deduct the fee that the payment plugin charge over here. Okay, so use this wallet address and deposit it over here, and then it will be able to come into your your balance over here. So now that for me I have a balance already, I can decide to go ahead and then make some payment and other stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and then see if I can be able to buy then with a crypto currency checkout that we've already set up over there on our website. All right guys, so this is the homepage of our website, and I'm going to look through some of the things that I want to buy. So if you look over here, there are so many things, coffee things that I can buy, okay, but this one catches my eye, and then I'm going to go through it and then see if I like it, and then I'm going to buy it. So let's say I want to buy it, so I'm going to go ahead and then go through it, and then I think I like this one. So what I need to do is just click on add to cart over here, and then go ahead and view my cart page. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go straight ahead and then click on proceed to checkout. All right, so now that this is my checkout, and as you can see, we have what BconGlobal over here, okay, which says what BTC, okay, so meaning that we can pay with what our BTC account over here. So I'm going to fill in some few details over here, and then we'll go ahead and pay. Okay, so I think everything is quite okay, and all what I need to do is to click on pay with BconGlobal. And as you can see, this is what how much we are supposed to pay over here. Now you can scan this QR code to pay using your Bitcoin wallet, wherever your Bitcoin wallet is, or you can click over here, copy this address and paste it in your Bitcoin wallet or payment wallet or whatever it is, and then you can pay. Now there is an open window over here for an hour, okay, so within an hour you need to pay, otherwise this one will cancel. So I'm going to go ahead and then scan and then pay, and then you see how the process goes like. So guys, as you can see over here, order has been received perfectly well, and then the payment method was this BconGlobal BTC over here. So you can check the details over here. The payment method is this particular BconGlobal BTC, and that is what this is the transaction ID, and then the billing details and everything is over here. Now if I go back to my WordPress over here and then I check over here, I will see that I have received one order over here, which is what processing over here. Okay, so basically my order has been successful with the BTC payment that I use. Okay guys, so if you come to your BconGlobal dashboard also, and then you realize that you're going to see under the wallet watcher, okay, so this is just the transactions that you make that it's coming over here. Okay, so these are all currencies, and this is the ones that passes through their system. Okay, so as you can see, all the transaction that I made is over here. Okay, so the one that I made is over here, and the amount of transactions for the last 7 days. Now this particular one is not your balance as in your wallet balance or whatever it is, but it is the amount that has passed through their system, their API. Okay, and that is what they are giving you the history over here, so that you can be able to see all your transactions that you have made. Okay, comparing it to your WooCommerce or your store, whatever it is, you compare it to over here. So one thing you should also notice that if you give a wrong Bitcoin address or wallet address, even though it will pass through their system, your money will be lost. Okay, so make sure that you give the right address, the right export address, okay, so that your money will never be missing, and then you always get your money inside your wallet, your own wallet, safely. Okay, so this is not your balance, this is just how you can be able to check your transaction. That is why they call it the wallet watcher. Okay, so it is just looking through the API that you set up with your store, and then with DS, and then all the amount or the transaction that have passed through their system using their API will be shown over here for you. Okay, so that is it. So if you go to if you check it one by one, you'll be able to see it. So if you go to the history, for instance, you'll be able to see the payment that we made over here, the coffee over here. Okay, all of them. So if you don't understand anything, you can even just export it, and then you see the transaction ID over here. You can use it to check it on the blockchain, okay, explorer over there. That is if you want to check it. And then the if you want to withdraw your funds, which definitely you don't have any funds unless maybe you want to withdraw the funds over here, okay, and that is where you set up a two-factor authentication before you can be able to withdraw it. Okay, so basically that is it. No, so if you come to the platforms over here also, you see all your various stores also over here. Now let me check one thing over here. Let me go to the wallet in it. So if you go to this wallet, under the wallet watcher over here, you're going to see your total balance. This balance is just the system, your store, and then their system combined together. Okay, meaning that whatever transaction that are passed through their system, this is the balance that is it. So it will total everything that you have done over here and then give you the balance. But this balance is not for you. It is not your money. Okay, it is just watching over your wallet for you. So your own custodian wallet is there, which you receive your money, but all transactions will be accessed over here because you use their API to be able to do it. And that is it. So you see that your shops will be lined up over here, and all transactions that under each shop will also be there. So as you can see, that the coffee shop have one transaction, which is this particular one. Okay, and then the equivalent in USD is what is this one, and that is it. So it is very, very simple to use, very simple to use, and I know you guys will love this particular plugin. Now what they have a lot of documentations that you can be able to check if you don't understand. I'll leave links in the description for you guys to be able to go through. And then also they also offer support. Okay, so as you can see, support tickets are over here. If you want support, if you need any help from them, they'll be able to assist you. Okay, they'll be able to very, very assist you. And that is what, and that is it. Now let's check into basically some other details also. Now guys, one thing I want you to know about their prices is very simple. Now for your first 5 payments, it's for test purposes. Okay, so you register and get your first 5 payments for test, so you can use it for test and other stuff. Now if you want to continue to work with them, okay, then you have to pay for those transactions that you did, and then the platform will be open for you. But if you don't pay for those transactions, there's no way you can continue for it. Now you should remember that this particular payment gateway is a prepaid thing, meaning that you need to prepay balance. You need to prepare your balance, and then they will deduct it. They will deduct all fees and other stuff from those balances over there. So if you go back to over here and then you check my commissions and balances over here, you see that first it was 0.001. Now it was 0.01. now it has become what, 0.00999, meaning that that transaction, this particular transaction that I did, okay, the 6.99 has been deducted from this. The fee has been deducted from this this balance that I have over here. Okay, the BTC balance that I have over here, and that is what we are talking about. Now if you want to select a different currency, let's say you want to go to the BNB over here, also I also have 0.01 BNB over here, 0.1 BNB over here. Okay, meaning that I can make some transactions and other stuff, and then it will be deducted from this particular balance that you see over here. The fee will be deducted from this particular balance over here. So that is with the prices. Now as you can see, you pay the commission in a separate payment by replenishing the balance of your personal account. So you go to over here and then use this particular address. This is the BNB. You pay into this particular address and then it will reflect over here. Okay, now if you go over here also BTC, you pay into the address that is shown over here, and then it's going to reflect over here. Okay, and that is it. So you can just deposit some small money over here and then a small crypto balance over here, and then they will be deducting the fees from it. Okay, and the fee, like we said, is what? It's just 1%. No hidden tax fees, just 1% on each transaction that you make. So every transaction that you make, they deduct a fee of 1% from it. Okay, and that is as simple as that. Now this is the only thing that is with this platform, and aside that, everything is what? As genuine as possible. And I hope that you guys will enjoy this one, because it is smooth, smooth transactions. Your customers will be very happy to pay with cryptocurrency. Get a different thing for them so that they can be able to easily pay you with cryptocurrency when they are paying for goods and services on your website. I hope this video helps you guys to be able to add cryptocurrency on your website. See you in the next video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.